Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to integrate Google Calendar with Monday.com. So currently we're on our Monday.com dashboard, and what you need to do is to go to the top right area here where we can see integrate. We're going to click on integrate. This is going to bring up a page where we can search for our calendar. So we're going to go ahead and search for calendar. And right now we can see under integrations, we have the option for Google Calendar and Outlook Calendar. Of course, we're going to select Google Calendar. And right here, you can see three options. So you need to read on them and then select the one which best suits your needs. So for example, we have Monday to Google Calendar by the icon. And then we have this Google Calendar to Monday.com. Now we're going to select the first one here because it says when an item is created or updated, create an event in Google Calendar. So basically this is what we're looking for in this case, but if you're looking for this other one, you can go ahead and use template. We're going to go ahead and use template for the first one by clicking on it. And then you have some permission here which you need to give to Monday.com to connect with your Google Calendar. After which you're going to select the Google account you'd like to connect your calendar with Monday.com. We're going to go for the first option here on my list. And once again, you click on continue. And then when it comes to permissions, you can go ahead and read through to select the right permissions for Google Calendar and Monday.com. So after this is considered and done, you can see some of them are already pre-selected. So we're going to click on continue. And now we have this page where it says when an item is created or updated, create an event in Google Calendar and sync feature changes from this board. So we need to create an event to make it functional. After which we're going to click on create automation, and that will set up our integration with Google Calendar. So now we're going to go ahead and click on event and create one. So now we've just had this for a test, and we're going to click on done. And now we can go ahead and click on create automation. So now you can see this automation example where it says when an item is created or updated, create an event in Google Calendar and sync feature changes from this board. So we have it currently toggled on, and anytime you create an event, it's going to be reflected in your Google Calendar. So this is how to integrate Google Calendar with Monday.com.